Today we cook cashew sour cream, vegan style. I'm Sarah and this is Suki. One cup cashew nuts, 3/4 of a cup water, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, pinch of sea salt, juice of 1 lemon. Soak cashew nuts in water for 2 to 8 hours, depending on the strength of your blender. Strain your cashew nuts. And you're going to blend until completely smooth. Pour that into a saucepan. We're going to put it on the stove, and while we're heating it up, we're going to keep whisking it the entire time, and then it will just thicken. As you can see, it's beginning to thicken up. At this stage, keep stirring. Now it's really lovely and thick. It holds its consistency. Once it's cooled, it can be put in a piping bag and piped. Let's give it a test. I guess just the whole thing in at once. Oh my gosh. Suki thought that video was scrumlicious. If you liked this video, you know what to do. And if you want more videos like this one, subscribe.